This Danish company have been producing artisan hypercars for over 15 years.
Pretty early on, we made a choice to go with hybrid solutions because, we're making powertrains that should be good for meeting worldwide emission standards. It also gives us an incredible performance advantage. We have developed a gearbox which has a hybrid system included in it, which I think is, if not world first, is definitely unique.
こちらのプリウスの横にいる人、かっこいい人の写真は、残念ながら自分ではありませんが有名な俳優になります。実際、多くのハリウッドスターに、プリウスを購入していただきました。
Castrol and JLR have had a great partnership for many years, forging ahead with improved performance lubricants.
Our relationship as Jaguar Land Rover, Jaguar, TCS Racing and Castrol. We have Castrol as an amazing partner since 2020, official lubrication partner for the program. And what we're able to do is use our I-Type 6 race car, now I-Type 7, as an innovation lab on wheels.